the US 175 frontage road just north of FM 740. This is where you turn around to go to the other side of the interstate. Completely underwater. Flooding is quite extensive, both north and south, east and west of here, both sides of the interstate. However, the interstate itself is clear. Talking about here on US 175 between Crandall and Forney, Texas. Frontage road is completely covered. Turnaround is completely covered. This flooding extends to the other side of the freeway. And it goes a significant way back there. I'm actually trying to get to that bridge road. I don't know if I'm available to, but I'm going to try. Just south of the Seagoville city limits, currently in Crandall, Texas. And this is the source of all the flooding. Clearly way over its banks. It is flooded extensively north and south of the banks. I'm not sure if this is a river or a creek. I didn't see a name for it. Extensive flooding along US 175 near Crandall, Texas, and Mesquite, just south of Seagoville.